Welcome to Green Bay Blizzard Professional Football, your 2011 IFL Franchise of the Year. The 2012 season is right around the corner, and we want you to get into the picture. With an action-packed team like the Blizzard, it is the greatest show on turf. A partnership with the Blizzard will provide your organization a one-of-a-kind opportunity to define itself as a leader in the community. Put yourself in our starting lineup today and join our drive to be champions both on and off the field. It's easy for you and your organization to get into the picture with advertising options varying from arena signage and banners, helmets and footballs, to short commercials and announcements. A great way for you and your organization to be highly visible at Blizzard games is to sponsor a game night promotion. These include premium giveaways, halftime promotions, and many other creative events enjoyed by thousands of Blizzard fans. Another way to get involved is through the Blizzard Media Guide and Yearbook. The Blizzard offers a wide array of Media Guide Yearbook advertising. Don't miss out on being a part of one of the coolest sports teams in Wisconsin. Let our front office help you get in the picture. Green Bay Blizzard Football, the greatest show on turf.